Hey guys, it's your boy Kingdom Minded back with another video. Today's video, I wanted to show you this Kcup coffee maker. It is a great product. I love it. It was only $20 in Walmart. It is a I believe it's a MainStays. That's the brand, MainStays. It's a great product, guys. I love it. It's been working great. It takes a K-cup or ground coffee. So you can see, I just added one in there. I just added the water in there. Put a water in there. Takes about a cup of water. You do have to consider that if you put a whole cup, the whole cup is gonna get filled to the rim. So you want to do a little bit lower of water. So when you add your creamer or your milk, whatever you add, you have enough space in your cup so it won't overflow. Okay, gotta consider that. So what I usually do is I put about 3/4 of water, and then I add my creamer or my half and half milk. Yeah, and that's how I like it. So yeah, it does have two buttons here, as you can see. One is for the K-cup and one is for ground. You go ahead and press it, and it blinks, indicating that is warming the water up. I don't know if you guys can hear it. I'll go closer a little bit. I'll open this. See, it's just warming the water up. Okay. And then it's gonna go ahead and brew the coffee. But it's a great product, guys. I didn't do the unboxing. I totally forgot about it. I didn't know I was gonna review this product. Cause I didn't know if it was gonna work out for $20. You know. To tell you the truth, I just thought, $20 wasn't gonna be good at all. But I was wrong, guys. This is great. I mean, I love it. Easy. Just throw my Kcup in there. No mess, no nothing. It's simple, fast. I think it takes about, let's see how long it takes. It takes about a minute, I believe, to start making your coffee. Warms up the water. So, it doesn't take long at all. What I usually do is I'll put it to get brew, and then I start making my breakfast or something. And by the time, I'm in between doing the breakfast, the coffee's done. But yeah, I just love it. As you can hear, it's bubbling up. So you're ready to start making your coffee. There it is. Yeah, guys. So you can see, I'm swirling the cup a little bit so you guys can see. No mess. Easy, simple. I mean, I don't like dealing with the ground coffee, adding a certain amount, cleaning the little filter, and that's why I did it. I didn't want to spend that much on a coffee maker because we already have this one. Where we make coffee here for the whole family. But for myself, when I wake up in the morning, I usually run this. And see, that's how much coffee I put in there. I like my coffee a little bit stronger. That's also a reason I fill it up to there. I just add my half and half milk, and that's about it. Yeah, and then that noise that you heard, is just finishing. And done deal. That's it. yeah, guys, if you like this product, please give it a thumbs up. If you don't, give it a dislike. I mean, but I believe it's a great product. You know, this is worth it. This is worth $20. If you want to go ahead and get one, I highly recommend it. You'll love it. You won't be disappointed. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Please comment, give it a thumbs up, subscribe guys. I'll be posting more videos. And yeah, God bless you.